Baby here. Oh, bakit pa ang Philippine ano? Philippine Airline. Hi, baby. Go move. Go move. More. Sige pa. Lakad pa. You look for 19. There, we're here now. Move more. Last land. Salamat po. How's your flight? Good? What a beautiful.
Doon sa likod doon. Yan ang paradahan. Ayan.
Okay. So you hold money.
Why po? Nice. Can I see? Oh, get out. Can I see what is there? Oh, it's cool.
It's okay. You just hold it.
I like your
Dress, love you.
Pa-picture muna daw tayo bago kayo pumasok.
Ito gusto nito ma-picture sa vlog ni Mami.
Oo, yaam yan.
Naawakan mo lagi si Rashi.
And so your first stop will be at the base camp and waiting area going to Whiteland. And bird show 1:45 p.m. at the Safari Stadium. And for the tiger feeding 10:30 and afternoon 2:30.
Yes! Fabulous, baby! Yeah! We're going there! Hi, vlog! Hi, guys! Baby, hold on tight! Ganda!
Area going to White Lion.
Hi, good morning. Welcome to base camp, sir. First jump off area. You have your right side of Garito. So you can go this way first, ma'am, sir.
Panis! Good morning. May I check your bag?
We're in the forest, baby! What's that?
What could be inside?
Whoa! Me too! Blondie the body. Go!
I don't know. Hey guys, these are the birds of the world.
Ayun pa lang.
Ayun na, dito lang siya sa nest.
You can't hear, so mommy can take care of video. There.
Hi! What's that po?
In the safari.
Yeah, we are in the safari right now. Let's move.
There, on top of the tree.
Oh, what's that?
Let's check. Here's the name.
Oh, it makes your crowd bigger.
An upgrade version of the pagkain na
Hi guys.
tapang. Upgrade version ng nasa bag.
Dati pigeon ka lang anak, ngayon level up ka na.
Walang ka na. Kanin pa kami.
Nakita na kami ng movement sa ano. Yoki.
Oo, sa Yoki's.
Pero isa lang. Sa dalawa. Ay, Talos kahit hindi.
Taking on your back.
Ano sa nito?
Daddy, look what they're eating. They're eating.
Meron po bang bird feeding dito? May bird feeding dito dito.
What? I think that's a rainbow unicorn. What's that?
There's the rainbow, ano, what do you call it?
Where's that?
Yeah, you're not feeding pigeon anymore.
Ang dami pa. So
Go! Next!
I'll go the first.
There. Up. Thank you.
Be very careful, there's something.
Wait.
Watch out for the bee.
Spring rolls, barbecue, pork belly, chicken barbecue. Under the tree? How
Yeah.
many? How many can you see? Okay. You see.
And red and eastern grey kangaroo. Just telling you a wallaby. Meet the flying monkey? I'm sorry, spider monkey. Where is that? Where are they?
It's up there.
Where?
They hid behind.
Oh, there, but only a tail that I saw. Monkey, monkey. Oh, there, the monkey. There, below.
Russia, she said like this, oh.
There below. I saw it.
Wait.
Come on.
There
They're not
below.
coming out because...
Yeah.
There. Hi.
They say hi, baby, it will come to us.
They are just only saying hi.
But what? They can't swim because they're still a.
Baby, Barbie now.
Oh, the tigers are...
Grabe ang ano dun sa facial special. The white African lion. And here's the entrance. Baby, come here now. Oh, gusto nila sumama sa vlog ko. Tinawa ka na din nila sa Asya.
Maraming stuff siya ibibigyan din yung pagmumukha niya. Is it here ba?
I guess so. Ay, dito ba tayo? Sure ba tayo?
Sa vehicle?
Sa vehicle, dapo. Sa vehicle, please. There. the vehicle. We're going to the vehicle. Ah, good job. Move forward. More, dear. What we're going to do.
We're seeing the lion.
Ang layo.
Oh, hello, lion.
Lion. Oh, they are sleeping.
Okay, so we all have here 3 lions. They are all males, about 7 to 8 years old. So they are sub-adults, meaning full grown size, but age are still
Big Kevin.
French tong mga to, French. Bonjour, bonjour. It's Simba. They don't like hi.
Africa nga doon sila.
Ay, Africa.
Meron galing sila ng
Hello, Simba.
They are cats, baby.
It's part of the kitten family.
Oo, camel po sila.
Come on, there's birds of the world pa daw.
Mama, there's birds of the world.
Oo, dun sa Yokis.
Ayan pa ni Rasi yan?
Oo.
May turtle pa. Ayan pa yung isa.
Rasi! Nakita ba ni Rasi yan? Kailangan niya itong bird.
Don't touch, ha?
Hi, bird. Hi, bird.
Habol yan eh.
Go there.
Sir, good morning. Di po yan ostrich. Greater Rhea yan. Enter, I'll just have to briefing you first for a quick rules here inside, okay? And number 1 rule, you have to hide or remove your earrings and necklaces.
Earrings and necklaces.
Yes, earrings and
Remove na,
necklaces
Daddy.
only. Sa baby, okay lang.
Na, because I remove my...
Birds, wala rin. Sa ngayon, sir, wala.
Look at that. There, can you see?
No shouting po, baby.
There.
Where's the bird?
There na, sa puno.
Oh, there.
Here, Mahal. It's turning its back. Ano?
Yun yung Philippine eagle.
Mo yung mamate. Hey, guys.
Hello.
It's stinky here.
Okay.
Be very careful. Be very careful. Bob.
Birds over here. Come. There's more birds over here. Scarlet eagle.
Oo nga, sige. Sige. Friday.
Kapado ka na.
Oh, baby, did you see that? Hello.
Ganyan yung mga tinitrain niyo.
Oo, dapat ganyan aquarium sa bahay. Ewan ko na lang talaga.
Mommy, this is what I really want. The fish aquarium.
Are you happy? Ganda ko. Let's go na.
But I'm already hungry.
In Savannah, for your safety and comfort, avoid standing while the truck is still moving. And in this ride, you'll see antelopes and zebra.
Okay.
Oh, what's that? Zebra! Zebra!
Okay, on your right side, like brown in color with slim legs, that is impala. So they can run up to 90 kilometers
Impala.
per hour, can live 10 meters in length and 3 meters in height, and only male has horns. So again,
Yeah, there's also a zebra. What's this? Hi! What's this? What are those?
those are waterback, so antelope with spiky hair, and they will immediately sink into the water whenever there's a predator nearby. So their body emits an oily secretion which acts as a water repellent, and since it has also a stinky smell, that's their defense mechanism towards the predators. And the older light brown in color mamzer that looks like a cow, that is eland, the world's largest antelope. And the female can produce up to 7 liters of milk per day, which is richer in fat than cow's milk. So again, that is inland mamzer. Both male and female has horn, though the male has a long antenna. The kudu, so it's a large and majestic antelope, became motionless when they felt danger or threatened, and only male has horn mamzer that will twist once every 2 years. So again, greater kudu mamzer.
Are you having fun?
Yes!
Mga kabarangay, dito po kami sa Cebu Safari!
Zebra! Zebra!
Where's the wild beast? Oh, there, over there.
The wild beast?
I guess not yet.
Mama?
This one, ma'am, reddish brown in color, that is less back, with white prominent place on the face and forehead, and it serves as their protection under the heat of the sun. So again, this is less back. And yes, ma'am, grayish in color with bended horn, those are wildebeest, considered as the clown or comedian in savannah, since the male will do unusual dance moves to attract the female during their mating season. So again, grayish in color, those are wildebeest. And we have here the zebra. So zebra mamzer is the highlight here in savannah. Their color is black with white stripes, and zebras that has him stripes as their identification with one another. And also they can sleep with open eyes.
Oh, gazelle!
Easily distinguished because of their stripes and patches on its face, and they can run up to 40 miles per hour, sometimes referred as small that can survive months or years without drinking water, as they get the moistures that they need from the food such as grasses. So if you're familiar of Qatar Airways, ma'am sir, that's the logo of Qatar Airways. For the kids, it's Madam Gazelle of Peppa Pig. So again, games back, ma'am sir.
Oh, that one is Madam Gazelle! Hi, bye, Madam Gazelle!
crocodile, sabi ko sa iyo,
Hi! Where
Hi,
are you?
vlog! Hi, camera! Hi, mga kabarangay!
Oh, you see, the entrance is here. Oh, picture kayo dyan, picture kayo dyan. 1, 2, 3, picture. 1, 2, 3, more picture. 1, 2, 3, picture. Inom na kayo dyan.
Kasi here's the big one, no? At your back. Look at the big one.
They're awake because that one is not the part of their eye. Baby. That's not their eye.
A baby gecko maybe.
It's a baby gecko. Look, mommy. Mommy.
I don't think baby Rush is ready for it.
Look at them, baby.
Wow.
That's what you wanted to see those.
No, they're just only resting.
Ako manablig yung po mo dyan, mami.
Ay, gising.
They might
It means they are no, what do you call that? Naiinitan. Yan.
Malalakas yan eh. Pero nagbe-behave na yung mga yan, sanay na rin sa tao yung mga daming halagaan ng brillier, ano?
Hindi ka siya nakangawit nun.
Sipin mo, pumupunta ako. You come here.
Those are Ami,
Yeah.
Buina.
Gising na siya. Gising na si Heart. Ah, tulog ulit. Where's the monkey?
There.
Where?
In the tree.
Oh, there's a monkey there in the tree.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's cheetah. That's a serval cat.
That's a serval cat.
Rachel, look at mommy.
Baby, look at mommy po. Good job.
Take a family picture.
Daddy, where are they? I can't see.
There in the middle.
Daddy, I don't see them.
There.
Lemoy. Tita Moy. Yes? Haven't you seen the hyena?
Karon, may wala pa lang. Wow, that's cool. Oh,
You
that's it.
can view, you can check. Look, there should be a meerkat.
Lahat na lang.
Mami, may view deck dito.
A baby, a mother, and a dad.
Ay, sa Borneo pala nakukuha.
How are you?
Hindi pa naman. Endangered pa lang sila.
I don't want to.
Madami pang dong.
Lechon Macau.
We didn't went. We went all up to there. This is where we